In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a virtual phone number for your Shopify store. Having a virtual phone number can significantly enhance the professionalism and efficiency of your business communication without the need to share your personal phone number. It helps in receiving calls and SMS messages, making it easier to assist your customers effectively. Let's dive into the details of how you can set this up. First, let's talk about your options. There are several tools available that can assist you in obtaining a virtual phone number. You can explore third-party apps like ShopDigits or Sboard, which are specifically designed for Shopify stores. ShopDigits offers a virtual call center with a business number for calls and SMS, as well as features like call recording and integrations with both iOS and Android apps. On the other hand, Sboard provides toll-free numbers and includes capabilities such as call forwarding, voicemail, and call recording. It even offers a free trial to help you get started. Also, don't overlook Google Voice, a versatile service that provides a virtual phone number accessible through a web application and mobile devices. It includes options for call forwarding, voicemail, and integration with other Google services, making it a cost-effective option for many small businesses. Now, once you've decided on the service that suits your needs and budget, the next step is to sign up and claim your virtual phone number. Simply follow the instructions provided by the chosen service to register your account and obtain your number. After getting the number, it's time to integrate it with your Shopify store. You can add it to your Shopify contact page by adjusting the admin settings. If you wish to make the number more prominent within your store design, you can incorporate it into your Shopify theme's code or utilize apps like ShopDigits to seamlessly integrate the number into your store's appearance. To make your phone number actionable, use the rich text editor to add a tell link. This setup allows customers to initiate a call with a simple click. Next, you'll want to configure features like call forwarding or voicemail. Decide how you want incoming calls to be handled and ensure that messages are forwarded to a device where you can easily manage them. This not only improves customer service, but also ensures you never miss an important call. Now let's take a moment to consider the benefits. A virtual phone number enhances your brand's professionalism and credibility, allowing you to keep your personal number private, which helps avoid unwanted calls. Additionally, it is a convenient solution, enabling you to manage business communications from a single platform. It significantly boosts customer support by facilitating smooth communication through both calls and SMS. As your business grows, virtual numbers can be scaled to accommodate this growth efficiently. Moreover, many of these services are quite cost-effective, making them ideal for small businesses. By implementing a virtual phone number, you're streamlining your business communication and projecting a professional image that enhances customer interactions and reflects positively on your Shopify store.